Welcome to our deep dive into Fifth Third Bank. Whether you're an existing customer or just curious about their offerings, today we'll uncover the details hidden in their terms of service so you can make smarter financial decisions. Fifth Third Bank operates in multiple states and offers a variety of personal, business, and investment banking options. Let's explore what they have to offer and whether it's worth your time and money. Fifth Third Bank's core features include checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment services. One advantage is their wide range of account options tailored to different financial goals. For example, their Momentum checking account provides fee-free overdraft protection for transactions up to $500, which is an excellent perk for those who need flexibility. However, watch out for fees. Fifth Third Bank charges monthly maintenance fees ranging from $5 to $25, depending on your account type. These fees can be waived if you meet specific requirements, such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposits. Another concern? The bank's physical branch availability might be limited depending on your location, which could inconvenience some customers. When it comes to digital banking, Fifth Third Bank's app is user-friendly and includes features like budgeting tools and mobile check deposit. Still, customer reviews are mixed, with some praising its functionality and others highlighting glitches and slow support response times. For businesses, Fifth Third Bank offers robust options like cash management and merchant services. Yet, their loan offerings, particularly small business loans, often come with higher interest rates than competitors. Now, why choose Fifth Third Bank? They offer unique programs like their Early Pay feature, allowing customers to access their paycheck up to 2 days early, and the Jumpstart Savings tool, which encourages automated saving habits. But no bank is perfect. Fifth Third Bank has faced criticism for hidden fees and lengthy dispute resolution processes. It's essential to read the fine print before committing. Want to dive deeper into banking insights like this? Hit that subscribe button and like this video. Stay informed and in control of your financial future. See you in the next one.